A professor of chemical engineering at Edo State University Uzairue, Engineer Professor Shegun Kevin Otoikhain has called on all indigenous automobile manufacturers and first-time investors to take the biodiesel production seriously in order to have a saner future devoid of pollution. The professor gave the charge during the 14th Inaugural Lecture Series of Edo State University Uzairue titled Green Diesel for a Green Future.
This initiative would assist Nigeria in re-establishing its prominence as the giant of Africa, establishing a precedent and transforming the perception of fossil diesel to green diesel for a green future that Africa and the globe so much desires.
The 14th inaugural lecturer, who is also the Provost, College of Postgraduate Studies, says the adoption of biodiesel in the society could minimize the impact of fossil fuels on the environment, which include the reduction in greenhouse gas emissions and conserving natural resources. He added that biodiesel can equally contribute economically to any nation's gross domestic products by reducing the production costs, increasing profitability, and creating market competitiveness in the society.
This findings emphasizes the importance of considering feedstock type for optimizing biodiesel production, minimizing waste, and exploring potential use for the diverse crude glycerol produced.
Meanwhile, the Vice-Chancellor, Edo State University Uzairue, Engineer Professor Emmanuel Luyo, applauds the inaugural lecturer for a successful delivery of his lecture and reiterates the university's unwavering dedication to delivering quality education, which embodies the fundamental values of the university.
His contributions have been recognized through numerous commendations and awards, reflecting his exceptional achievements in academia and research. Our university remains at the forefront of academic distinction, boasting of a faculty of highly qualified and dedicated staff members.
Otoikhain can kindly join for group photograph, please.